Hello, welcome to the Blue Quill feature highlights for version 6.8. In this video, I will discuss the following features: notifications of submissions for instructors, BQ Groups Enhancements, group discussions and discuss tool enhancements, emailing from the roster, duplicating of containers in the assessment tool, and the new BQ Help Center. Let's get started. Instructors will now see a notification on objects where submissions have taken place. The notification will remain until the instructor expands the list of documents for each student that has submitted a document. We have made some enhancements to groups and how instructors assign groups to objects. Now, when assigning groups to learning objects, you can select all or some of the groups to drag them over to the learning object. This way, you don't have to drag each group over one at a time to the same object. You can also now drag objects on top of the groups to associate objects with groups. To do so, just click and drag an object and drop it on top of a group. Instructors now have the ability to mark discussions as private, which means that students can only see posts from the group that they are in. Instructors can also add new topics just for certain groups in a discussion that is marked private. Let's take a look at how this works. First, an object with discuss turned on needs to have groups associated with it. This is done by the instructor clicking Groups, then going to the Objects view. From here, I can make any object a group assignment and include one or many groups. For this example, I want to add all groups to the object with the discussion, which I can easily do by clicking the Select All circle at the top. Then drag all the groups onto the object and drop them there. Now, when I go back to the course view and open that object, I can click the menu to get more options for the settings on this discussion. I have the option to make this discussion private. When I make it private, any posts made from now on will be private to each group. When I mark it as private, I will get this notification that tells me that it is private. From here, I can select which group's posts I am seeing from this drop-down. Also, when a discussion is private, I can create new topics that only specific groups will see. When I create a new topic, I will see a list of groups that I can select. The group or groups that I select will be the only ones able to see this topic. If you decide to switch a discussion from private to public, then all existing posts will become public. We have also consolidated the discussion filter and analytics into one tool. Click on this user's icon to see analytics. As well, I can click on a name in this list to see only posts from that user. I can also filter users by using their name in any post, topic, or response. We have enhanced the user experience for users who want to email students from the roster. Now, when I select students and click Email, it will open the default email application on my computer and automatically add the email addresses to the To field. For this example, I will select some students, click Email, and Microsoft Outlook will open with a new composition with all the emails in the To field. If I want to simply get a list that I can copy and paste anywhere, like it was before, I can do so by clicking Show Email Addresses. This gives me the list of email addresses that I can copy and paste. Course designers will now have a way to duplicate containers in the assessment tool. This means that you can build a question and duplicate it, which should make building assessments more efficient and quick. To do so, click on the duplicate icon. Here you will have the option to put in a number. This number is the amount of containers that will be created or cloned. Then you will need to choose either Create or Clone. Create will create that number of containers with the same structure but without the content, like a template. Clone will create that number of containers with the content included. This change should make the creation of assessments faster and easier. Blue Quill has a number of resources to help users learn how to use it. This has always been available by clicking the question mark in the top right-hand corner. We still have this capability, but have revamped our Help Center to be a fully functional self-help portal. This new Help Center can also be accessed by going to support.bluequill.com. Search a keyword to try to find help on a specific topic, or click on Help Articles to browse all the articles that are available. You can also go here to see new and past release videos and release notes. We will be posting articles from Blue Quill experts on how they use the tool to enhance learning in the Best Practices section. Click on the question mark in Blue Quill to visit the new Help Center, or go to support.bluequill.com. Those were some of the highlights from Release 6.8. Thanks for watching.